Hello people, it's been a long time since my last video. In this tutorial I will create an interesting monogram logo, but there will be only 6 circles. I promise that. Today's logo is for a printing house called Grafica and will be a combination of the first letter G and pin icon. The pin icon is part of the slogan, place of your print. Okay, we will need ellipse tool, pen tool, and shape builder tool. We will start with 2 circles. First will be 60 pixels and second will be 660 pixels. Okay, select both, hit horizontal align center and vertical align center. Okay, we will need 4 circles more, and we will do that. Object, blend, blend options. Specified steps, and we need 4. Okay. Then object, blend, make. We should separate all circles, okay, and we will do that with object, expand appearance, object, expand. Okay. In order to see better our lines, press Ctrl and Y on your keyboard. Now we need the pen tool. Okay, when you see this guide, press left click on your mouse, hold Shift, and press left click again. Okay, we have 1 line and we need 4 more. Hold Alt on your keyboard and hold left click, move to the next circle and just drop it. Okay. Hold Ctrl and press C and Ctrl D now. That is 3rd, 4th, 5th. Okay. For this part we need 8 lines. Let's repeat action. When you see it, guide, press left click, hold Shift, press left click again. Okay. Hold Alt on your keyboard, hold left click, and connect with the next circle. Okay. Control and C, Control D, and repeat few more times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 lines now. Okay. We should move back with Ctrl Y. Okay. Select everything and use Shape Builder tool in order to create our logo. This is our logo. Just check if you connect all lines properly. My suggestion is to show customers the logos through mockups. It looks interesting to see how the logo looks in different places. That's all, people, for this tutorial. If you like, you can subscribe, and what to say, I hope it won't take that long until my next video. Bye bye!